In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your default email template in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust so your automated emails look polished and on brand across your site. First, open your Squarespace site and head into Settings from the main dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're inside the correct one before you begin. Settings is your control center for how your site behaves behind the scenes, so this is the right place to manage things like branding, domains, and of course the look and feel of your emails. Depending on your version of Squarespace, the layout may look a little different, but you're always aiming for the Settings panel in the left-hand menu. Next, find and click Customer Notifications. This section holds all of the automated messages your site sends, things like order confirmations, shipping updates, booking reminders, digital product deliveries, and account-related emails. Editing here changes the default styling those messages use, so your emails feel consistent with your website's design. If you see variations like commerce or scheduling, you're still in the right neighborhood. You're looking for the area that controls the notifications your customers receive automatically. Now, click Edit Email. This opens the email editor where you can fine-tune the default template that applies across your notifications. Start by adding or updating your logo so it's crisp and clear at the top. Then align the colors with your brand, adjust header and button colors, choose readable fonts, and keep contrast high so text is easy to scan. Use concise, friendly copy for your greeting and sign off to set the right tone, and keep paragraphs short to improve readability. Check that your footer includes accurate business details and links you want visible, like your website or social profiles. If your design uses images, add descriptive alt text so the message still makes sense if images are blocked. Most editors offer a live preview. Use it to review both desktop and mobile views and watch spacing and padding so everything feels balanced. A quick tip, stick to a simple hierarchy: logo, clear headline, key message, and a single, high-contrast button, so recipients always know what to do next. When you're happy with the design, save your changes. Your updated default template will apply to future automated emails that use this shared styling, giving your communications a consistent professional look. That's it. Your default email template is now set up in Squarespace. Thanks for watching and enjoy sending better-looking emails with every notification.